Always asking me what I got on. They be like, hey Brandon, what you got on? Don't worry about it. Don't worry about it, sweetheart.
What's up, YouTube? So it's your boy B, back at it again, man. And I'm going ahead and bring y'all a little video, man. I know I ain't made no vid in a minute, so I'm going ahead and do something. It's an off day, and it's pretty outside, so I'm taking advantage of it. So what I'm doing today is changing more door pins, but on the driver's side this time. I snatched the bottom one off, the bottom hinge off. As y'all can see, there go the top one right there. So, you know, I'm kind of cheating it a little bit, but that's what you got to do when you're a one-man band. So, yeah, that's it right here. Okay. Yeah, that bushing's all worn out. That one is as well. I can't get you. Oh well, but yeah, just take my word for it, y'all. The bush is worn out, and the bottom one was the worst one, so I'm tackling that one first. But yeah, so I got my grinder right there. I got it ready. Got the door pins right there. Yeah, we got the door panels right here. There's a door pin right here. There's a doorman. And they got a part number. Yeah, and I got my safety glasses right there as well. So we're gonna go ahead and get to it, y'all. Gonna cut this one off, get this put back in place, and then snatch the top one off. So I'm gonna cut y'all back on once I had the bottom one back on, and I'm starting on the top. Man, y'all, I ain't gonna lie to you. Got the pin changed out. Got the new one on. Bring it on up to you. See, new bushings in them. New pin on it. Man, that old one, ooh, it was tough. I had to cut it in several sections and then put some heat to it. So I just got a little propane tank, just warmed it up. But man, that thing was hell. But back to the matter at hand. Okay, now I gotta set myself up. Open the door back, put that hinge back up in there. So now I have to lift up on the door and finagle it back, finesse it up in there. And yeah, y'all, weather stripping is gonna be one of the next things I'm gonna end up getting. But shoot, y'all, once this other package come in, then shoot, y'all be tuned in for another video that I got on the cutlass. But okay, yeah, so it goes in like this. Yeah, like this way. Okay, and then you gotta, well, since I didn't take the door off, I gotta lift the back end, finesse it up in there, then get those bolts in. So I'm finna go and do that because I don't have no camera holder. I can't hold the camera and do this at the same time. So I'll see y'all once I at least have the bottom back on. Success. I got it on. Still gotta take the top one off. It's closing like it's supposed to. Yeah, sure. You know, I've been thinking about getting some more front fenders because all this is just alligatoring up. Then it's bolted in right here. I mean, that could be fixed, but just food for thought. But yeah, back to this. Yes, the other bottom pin is on. Everything's tightened up, secured down. So now I'm gonna go ahead. Y'all, I ain't gonna lie to you. I don't even want to do the top one. At least not right now. I mean, because it's not bad. I mean, I'm looking at the bush and then it's not bad at all. Let's see. Yeah, it is, but yeah, it's bad. Yeah, it's bad. So I guess I'll go ahead and change it out. Might as well. It's not gonna be as easy as the bottom one was because of this pin right here. But shoot, that one, I don't even have the roller to it. The roller fell off. And I lost the spring. So the door it's never gonna really have all the tension that it's supposed to have on it. Yeah. Well, I'll think on it for right now because later on, I mean, eventually want to get another latch if that's the case, you know. Yeah, I might as well get another latch, and that way the spring and the roller will be already on it. I just put it on. Thinking about going that route. So I don't know. I'll think about it though, y'all. But in the between time, I think that's gonna be it. If I do it, I'll cut y'all back on. But if not, then I didn't do it. I mean, but for the most part, my door is closed and better now. I mean, it's way better than what it was at first. Because I would have to kick it up sometime. But I may still go ahead and change that top pin. I don't know though. I don't know. After doing that bottom, I'm feeling kind of lazy now. So, I don't know, but yeah, shoot. I'm waiting on another package to come in, so I can do my go ahead, finish up, redo my fuel system. Damn, I done told y'all. I wasn't meaning to say, but yeah, I gotta redo my fuel system, so I'm waiting on my package to come down. Waiting on one more thing I was waiting on, so one more thing. It's always one thing. But till the next time, y'all, sure, I'm gonna let y'all go. I'm dragging this video on, so I'm gonna let y'all go, y'all. I just went on ahead and did it. I went on and changed the pin out. See, there it goes right there. There it goes. See, I ain't, like I said, I don't have the spring no more. I'm about to buy another one. But, see, the kids and all, they would rip into the old one. But, yeah. Now I got kids outside playing and whatnot, which is good. So, I'm finna go and join them now. Sure. I done my due diligence, and the door closes also.
No.
Oh yeah, see, that's getting close. Easy. No play. No more play. That's what we want. That's what we wanted, y'all. Ooh, but yeah, they getting rambunctious, y'all, so I'm finna jump off. And I'll catch y'all in the next one. Appreciate it. Whoa.